It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good evening, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, we will continue with our topic regarding functions, quadratic equations, and logarithms. So, yesterday I have discussed with you the basics regarding quadratic equations and functions. Let us continue with the question series. Before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and these are my scores in different examinations, and these are my credentials. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now, why me? I am ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. Yes, many students were asking me what is the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when we choose iconic or plus. Now in iconic, the best advantage is you will be assigned with a personal coach. Now how this coach will be helpful, you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship with your coach and educator so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing. You will get the best solutions for that. One more biggest advantage is personalized test analysis. This mentor will analyze each and every test written by you, and the mistakes are identified and they are rectified so that your score will be boosted. Most of the students complain me this, right? Sir, we have completed the entire syllabus, but we are not able to solve the questions. We are not able to apply the things onto the questions. This is where your coach will be damn helpful for you. One more advantage when you choose iconic subscription, you will be getting access to complete Raudra coding classes. For core branch students, this will be a very good backup for your career, right? For sure, if you complete all these courses. Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. These are the features on Plus and Iconic and how much you have to invest. If you are choosing Plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 65 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my code NLN10, you will get my guidance, my entire group guidance, right from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, right, finally to me, and you will get 10% discount. After 10% discount, the price will be 46,728. For 12 months, it is 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. Coming to, these are the prices that are valid only up to May 31st, 11:59 p.m. So from June 1st, the price is going to hike. Now closely observe there. For 12 months, the price will be 39,265 from June 1st. Previously, it was 32,126. So those who are serious, do try to subscribe before the price hikes. And also, we have introduced this 9-month subscription. Those who are aiming at GATE 2023. So this 9 months will be an optimum time for your exam prep for sure. So if you are choosing Iconic, so the price will be 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10 for 12 months, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Of course, we heard your concerns, right? The Iconic price was dipped by 21%. Now 12 month subscription fee is 52,000. Previously it was 55,886. So, and see, do try to subscribe to Iconic. You will be getting all the features what I have explained in the previous slide, and you will be getting physical notes prepared by topmost educators in India, right? Whomsoever subscribes to 1 year and above Iconic subscription. And again, so this price hike is not only for GATE and ESE, across all the categories. Whomsoever are interested in UPSC, right, CAT. So do try to subscribe using with my code NLN10. And yes, so see here, GATE and ESE category is going to be divided into 4 separate subscriptions from June 1st. So whomsoever interested and want to watch the content of all the branches, do try to subscribe before June 1st. Okay, so chalo, we'll go for the questions here. Already I have explained all these basics. Hope so clear, no doubts regarding this basics. Let's solve one by one. Already we have solved some basic questions, right? We will increase our level of toughness here, right? Chalo, now I will solve this question. Next question you have to solve for me. A rectangle of sides 20 centimeter and 25 centimeter is shown alongside. Okay, this is a rectangle of side 20 and 25. Let us suppose I'll take down this as length 25 and breadth 20. Squares were cut at each of its corners to make a box of volume 462 cubic centimeters. Now closely observe there, you have cut down squares from each and every corner, it seems here perfectly. So square matlab each and every side will be equal. Now this side will be, if I take down as x, now this side will also be x. You closely observe there, yes. Now to make a box of 462 centimeter cube volume. So you made a box, it seems. Up dekho. Now closely observe there. Fold like this, fold in this direction. Now see, this will be the length, fold in this direction, this will be breadth. Now fold in this direction, right? It will be height. Now see here, what will be the length right now of this box? So volume of the box, I'll write down. Find the area of the portion that was cut out is the question asked. Volume of the box is equal to, now what is the length of the box? Apne x hataya, x nikal diya, so automatically it will be 25 minus 2x. Now breadth, again you have removed x and x, 20 minus x. Now see here, height will be the folded part. This is what you will be folding, right? This is what you will be folding. Observe there, where can I show as a pen, paper? So 1 second, I'll take a paper and show you. 1 second. Is there any paper with me? Right, observe there. This is a paper there. Now length will be folded like this. Breadth will be folded like this, and whatever you have teared here, now this will be your height there. Am I right or wrong? Yes, you'll get this point there. Perfectly done. So chalo. Hope so clear. Now height will be x. Now is equal to, this is equal to 462 cubic centimeter. This is not x ma, this is 2x na. 4x minus 2x. So I'll take down x as common. So I'll write down this value 25 minus 2x. I'll take down x as common. This will become 10 minus 2x, 10 minus x. And this is x, which will be equal to 2 na, 2, 3, 1. So LHS there are 3 parts. RHS also make into 3 parts. So if I divide it by 11, so this becomes 11 into 21. So can I write down this as 11 into 7 into 3? Yes, I can take down this as 11 into 7 into 3 perfectly. 11 2s are 22. Any answer there? Observe there, this one 11. The point here is it 231? So am I making any mistake there? So 7, let us suppose take 7 ma. 7 3s are 21. 7 again 3 into 7. Oh, okay, chalo, I can write down like this easily here. 3 into 7 into 11. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly. Ab dhyan se suno, I will take down x as 7. If I take down x as 7, my 10 minus x will be 3. So 2 into 7 will be 14, 25 minus 2x will be 11. So perfectly got it. So what is my x value there? My x value is nothing but equal to 7. So see here, I will find out the area of this square. So area of this square will be x square, which is nothing but equal to 49. And you are asked to find out the area of the portion that was completely cut off. How many squares did you remove? So 4 squares. Now this will be your answer. 4 into 49 will be your answer. 4 9s are 36, 4 4s are 16, 196 centimeter square is your answer there. How many of you got this? So making down into prime factors, already I have explained you in the previous class regarding this. Done? Perfectly done. So I am expecting you guys to solve this question here. Try this. Again, making down the equations and solving the questions there. So it will be in the format of quadratic equations only. Any answers for this? No answers. Because the point given here is the sides of a right angle triangle, it seems here. So I'll take down this right angle triangle like this. Are such that the sum of the length of the longest and that of the shortest side. Now I will take down this as shortest A. I will take down this as hypotenuse will be the longest side, second longest side will be B. So the sum of length of shortest longest and that of shortest is equal to twice the length of the remaining side, which is nothing but equal to 2b. This is an equation formed. Find the longest side of the triangle. If the longer of the sides containing the right angle is longer of the sides containing right angle. Now this is the longer of the sides containing right angle. B is the side there. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly right. Now what is the point given there? If the longer of B contain right angle is 9 centimeters more than half of the hypotenuse, 9 plus C by 2 is the equation there here. Okay, done. Now I'll write down this as like this: 2B is equal to 18 plus C. Just for the sake of convenience, I'll make down this there. Now you are asked to find the longest side. C value is, so our aim is to find out C value here. So according to Pythagoras theorem, everybody knows C square is equal to A square plus B square. So I will make down these equations into C formats here. Now in the place of A square, can I write down 2B minus C whole square? Yes, perfectly I can write down. So I'm writing down this process, I'm not exactly saying that you have to follow only this. You can go in a more sophisticated manner than me. So C square is equal to, it is in the format of A minus B whole square, 4B square plus C square minus 4BC plus B square. Okay, now C square gets cancelled. Now B square plus 4B square will be 5B square is equal to 4BC. Automatically 5B is equal to 4C. Am I right or wrong? I can write down this point there. Now so what I will do is in the place of 2b I'll write down this point in the a plus c is the equation in the place of 2b can I write down 18 plus c? Yes, and automatically what will be a value? A value is equal to 18. Now, I got my a value as 18. So what I will do is I'll find out one value in this equation only. Observe here. A value is 18, you know. In the place of C, can I write down 5B by 4, which is nothing but equal to 2B. So 18 4s are 72. Am I right or wrong? Yes, 72 plus 5B is equal to 8B. Automatically this becomes 3B is equal to 72. Now automatically B value is nothing but equal to how much? 24. So it is a Pythagorean triplet. Everybody know A value is 18, B value is 24. Now closely observe there. What will be the equation there? 3, 4, 5. Am 6 5s are 30 has to be the answer there. 3 is to 4 is to 5. Upon removal of common factors, it has to be 3 is to 4 is to 5. And this will work out damn surely. And your option number A, exactly true. Done. I hope so. I am clear. Done. Chalo. Let's go for the next question. Done. Now observe the question there. Try this again. Framing an equation will help you to solve this question very easily. Any answers for this? Sorry. Any answers for this? So I'll write down the equation there. Dekho. Two software professionals, Ranjan and Raman. I'll write down here Ranjan. Sorry. Ranjan and Raman had 108 floppies between them. They sell them at different prices, but each receives the same sum, it seems. If Raman had sold his at Ranjan's price, first of all, let us suppose take Ranjan sold number of floppies X, Raman sold Y. So the price is, I'll write down the price here. Ranjan sold at a price of PA. Raman sold the price at PB. Of course, the sum received, amount received by both of them is same, it seems. So amount is nothing but, so X into P, a number of floppies into the each floppy price, number of floppies into each floppy price. So according to the question, it is given as X into PA is nothing but equal to Y into PB. So finally, can I write down like this? PA by PB is nothing but equal to Y by X. Yes. Now again, the point given here is I'll write down in red ink remaining points. If Raman had sold his at Ranjan's price, so Raman sold Y number of floppies now at Ranjan price PA. He would have received a rupees of 722, it seems. Again, Ranjan sold X number of floppies into PB, which is nothing but equal to 578. Done. Now see here, now in the place of PA by PB, can I substitute Y by X? So automatically my equation will change to Y square by X square. So I can remove some common factors here, ma. I'll remove 2 there, which is very easy. 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 361. Here 2s are 8s are 9s are. 289 is nothing but equal to 17 square. How much is 361 square? It is 19 square. So Y by X is nothing but equal to how much? Is it 19 by 17? Now what is the question asked? How many floppies did Ranjan had, it seems? Everybody know X plus Y value is nothing but equal to 108. Now you are asked to find out how many Ranjan had. Ranjan X value is the question asked. X value is 17. Total 19 plus 17 is how much? 36 parts. 36 parts value is nothing but equal to 108. And now you are asked to find out how much? 17 parts value. What will be the answer there? 36 ones are, 36 threes are, and it is 51 floppies there. And your option number A. Exactly true. Done. Chalo, let's solve the next one. This is my most favorite question here. Let me see how many can solve this. 2 minutes. Any answers from you? Any answers now for this? So see here, if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where c cube plus abc plus a cube is equal to 0, which of the following is true, it seems? First of all, let me write down this. So where c cube plus abc plus a cube is equal to 0, it seems here. Okay, fine. So what I will do is I will multiply this, I will divide this entire equation by a cube. So can I write down like this, c cube by a cube plus, so it will be, so see here, I'm writing down like this, right? Minus b by a, so a will be cancelled down, into minus c by a. Will you accept with me regarding this? Yes, perfectly. Now plus 1 is equal to 0. Done. अब ध्यान से सुनो बेटा, everybody know. So sum of roots will be alpha plus beta. Product of roots will be alpha into beta. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly right. Now c by a is nothing but product of cube. So alpha beta whole cube plus minus b by a is nothing but alpha plus beta sum of roots into minus of alpha into beta plus 1 is equal to 0. So again, so my aim is to make down into with this answer formats, right? Rather than this, I am not doing anything there. So I will divide the entire equation by alpha into beta. So my equation will change to alpha beta whole square minus alpha plus beta. Alpha beta will get cancelled off now. Plus 1 by alpha beta is equal to 0. Now closely observe there, I can convert this equation like this, right? Alpha square minus 1 by beta. So this is exactly in the format of quadratic equation only here. Beta square minus 1 by alpha. You multiply these two equations and you will get the same answer here. And you need not worry, right? We are right perfectly. Is equal to 0. Automatically my alpha square will be equal to 1 by beta and my beta square will be equal to 1 by alpha. So is there any option that will be satisfied there? Alpha square b alpha square beta, and this is your answer. Done. Hope so I am clear regarding this. So writing down the equations, 99% of your solution will be done easily, ma'am. Nobody can stop you regarding this. Let's come to the next one. Yes, try this. Let's see how many can answer this. Will increase our level of toughness little bit higher. This is an easy question. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square minus 11x plus 24 is equal to 0, find the value of 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta given that it is positive. Any answers? In seconds. X54. अरे यार easy question ना, इतना बचे था class पर, you can easily answer this. So this is the equation there. So is this a normal equation? Yes, you can do it by factorization. 6 4s are 24. Will it work out? 8 3s are 24. Will work out. So it is positive na. X square minus 8x minus 3x will be 11x minus 8x minus x minus 8 into minus 3 will be 24 is equal to 0. So the roots will be x minus 3 into x minus 8. So automatically is equal to 0. Your alpha is 3, your beta is 8. So automatically find the value of 1 by alpha by 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta. What will be your 1 by alpha value? 1 by alpha value will be 1 by 3. 1 by beta value will be 1 by 8. By beta value will be 1 by 8. So I am clear regarding this. Perfectly done. So 1 by alpha 1 by 3 minus 1 by 8 is nothing but equal to how much? So 3 8s are 24 beta. So 8 minus 3. So 5 by 24 will be your answer. Easy questions now. There is no need to worry about the questions also. Easy pickings. So, try this question here. See how many can solve this. Easy questions. Two equations have a common root which is positive, it seems. Two equations have a common root which is positive. The other roots of the equation satisfy x square minus 9x plus 18 is equal to 0. So in the meanwhile, I'll find out the roots of this equation. 18, 9 2s are 18, 6 3s are will work out. So x square, normal factorization only, minus 6x minus 3x plus 18 is equal to 0. By this, what can I say? My x value is equal to 6 or my x value is equal to 3. So I gave the lead there. The other roots of the equation satisfies. Other roots of the equation satisfy. So there are two equations, it seems. Let us suppose take those equations are p comma q. These two equations have a common root, it seems. A. The other roots of the equation, one is 6, one is 3, vice versa, you can take down anything there. Is this the point given there? The product of sum of the roots of the two equations. So a plus 6, this is sum of this root, this is this equation, sum of this roots of this equation is 3, and when you multiply these two, this is equal to 40. Find the common root value is the question asked. That's it, na? Perfectly done. So my question is, so a into a, it is a square. 3a 6a will be 9a plus 18. Is it that? So a into a square, a into 3 3a, 6 into a, 6 3s are 18. Did we miss anything there? Yes, perfectly right. Plus 18 is equal to 40. Automatically my equation will be changing to a square plus 9a. 40 will come to the left hand side. 40 minus 18 will be how much? Is it 22? Yes. Minus 22 is equal to 0. So 9. What will be the roots there? 11 2s are 22. So 9. So a plus a square. What shall I repeat again, beta? What exactly do you want there? 11a minus 2a minus 22 is equal to 0. I'll take down a as common, a plus 11. I'll take down minus 2 as common, a plus 11 is equal to 0. So my a value is nothing but equal to 2 because it has to be positive value. And my answer is B. Right? You can just rewind the video and watch this, Abhishek, right? You can easily understand this. Chalo. Come to the next one. Yes. Now this is an easy question. So I will be solving it immediately, right? How many equations of the form x square plus 4x plus p is equal to 0? X square plus 4x plus p is equal to 0 exists such that the equations has real roots and p is a positive integer. First of all, in order to find out real roots, your delta has to be greater than or equal to 0 here. Delta is nothing but discriminant. Delta value is nothing but b square minus 4ac must be greater than or equal to 0. What is your b value? 4, 16 minus 4 into, right, a value is equal to 1 into, right, c value is nothing but equal to p is greater than or equal to 0. So automatically 16 is greater than or equal to 4p. So automatically 4 is greater than or equal to p. Question number C. Easy question. Now I want you guys to try this question here. 2 minutes, then I'll solve it. Seconds more. Six, 7, 6, 5. That right? The roots, the values of x, not modulus of x of the equation. So first of all, this is the equation, modulus of x whole square plus 6x plus 6 modulus of x minus 55 is equal to 0 or alpha and beta, it seems. One of the roots of py square plus qy plus r is equal to 0 is alpha beta times the other root, it seems. Which of the following can be concluded? First of all, let's find out this. This is 11 5s are, so 11 5s are matlab x square plus 11 modulus of x minus 5 modulus of x minus 55 is equal to 0. So finally modulus of x plus 11 modulus of x minus 5 is equal to 0. and modulus of x must be damn surely positive, right? So x, this will be your answer there, and your x value will be plus or minus 5. Everybody should accept this. So means your alpha comma beta is 5 comma minus 5 or minus 5 comma 5. These are the things there. So let's come to the next equation. The next equation is py square plus qy plus r is equal to 0. So here the roots are, I'll take down this y1 comma y2 are the roots. What is happening there? One root is y1 is alpha beta times y2 is the given there. Now, so I have to frame this equation like this, right? So I'll do like this. So I'll write like this: y1 plus y2 is nothing but equal to sum of roots whole square. So why I am writing like this means my aim is to make down these option conditions there, divided by, I'll write down product of roots y1 into y2. Now everybody know y1 plus y2 is nothing but equal to, I'll write down here, y1 plus y2 is nothing but equal to alpha into beta plus 1 into y2. Am I right or wrong? y2 is y2, y1 is this one. So y1 into y2 will be how much? Is it alpha into beta? Alpha into beta y2. Am I right? Yes, perfectly. So I'll write down these values here: alpha beta plus 1 whole square, alpha into beta plus 1 whole square. Y2 gets cancelled. Now I'll write down directly alpha into beta. And you already know alpha beta values are there here. Minus 5 into 5 will be minus 25 plus 1 whole square divided by alpha into beta. Can I write down this as minus 25? So minus 25 plus 1 will be minus 24, 576. So this y1 plus y2, so closely observe there. I'll write down this equation here. So y square, it is plus na, so automatically this has to be minus here, minus, then only it will become plus, minus q by p, yes, totally plus, plus r by p is nothing but equal to 0. So this is nothing but called sum of roots, this is nothing but called product of roots. So finally, can I write down like this? So I can write down like this: minus q by p whole square divided by y1 into y2 is nothing but r by p. Done. So I'll write down in the next equation minus q, this will be q square by p square into p divided by r is equal to, so this will be, see here, minus 24 into minus 24 will be 576 by 25 minus 25. So finally this will be become, so pp gets cancelled. So 25 q square is nothing but equal to minus 576 pr. Now this will be the answer there. So how many of you got the same answer there? So your option number A satisfies the exact equation there. Hope so I am clear regarding this. Yes, perfectly. Now let's try this question there. Here I will be giving you 2 minutes for this. seconds more ma. So they are in arithmetic progression it seems here. So how to frame an arithmetic progression? So follow the same basics what I have taught in functions. That will be damn helpful for you to solve the question there. Trust me regarding that. No answers. Now first of all, the condition that the roots of the equation, now this is the equation, those who cannot observe this, px cube plus 3qx square plus 3rx plus s is equal to 0. This is the question. Maybe in arithmetic progression is the question asked. Maybe in. First of all, what is the general form of an arithmetic? I mean, what cubic? This is a cubic equation, right? Cubic equation का general format बोलो. I'll write down here x cube minus there will be 3 roots, right? Alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus alpha into gamma into x minus alpha into beta into gamma is equal to 0. Done. Now I will write down this equation also into this format here. X cube minus x cube minus, now you closely observe there. So see, I have to write down what there, 3q. So this has to be positive finally, so this has to be minus 3q by p x square now here this is also plus, so no need of worry there. So I can write down this as 3r by p into x minus, now closely up, this is plasma, so automatically my product of roots has to be here minus s by p, then only it will work out. Am I right or wrong? Then only whole value will become positive, is equal to 0. Now close, these are product of roots, this is sum of roots, sorry, and is this nothing but called product of roots? Done. Now what is the point given there? There will be the alpha, beta, gamma are in arithmetic progression it seems. So I will take down my roots as like this now. Alpha one root, alpha minus beta as my other root, and the third one is alpha plus beta. So this 3 will be damn surely in arithmetic progression. Am I right or wrong? Will you accept with me? Done. And see here, I'll write down this one. So upon adding all those things, what happens? It will become 3 alpha minus beta plus beta will get cancelled. So add all those things. This will be called sum of roots. 3 alpha is nothing but equal to minus 3q by p. And my alpha value is nothing but equal to minus q by p. Okay, will you accept with me this regarding this? Done. I got one root value. Merely substitute in your question there, you will get the answer there. Now closely observe there, I'll do it. Now this is my equation. I have to substitute one root in this equation. I'll substitute the same thing there. P into minus q by p whole cube plus 3q into minus q by p whole square plus 3r into minus q by p, because in the place of x I have to substitute the root now, plus s is equal to 0. So finally see here 1p and 1p gets cancelled here, p square will be left over. So see, in the denominator p square is common ma. So can I take down like this? I'll take down like this. Minus q into minus q into minus q will become minus only. So this will become minus q cube. Denominator will be p square. I'll write down this. Now see here also p square only. So see here minus q into minus q will become plus q. So automatically this will become how much? I'll write down this one, plus 3q square, 3q cube, sorry. So p square is in the denominator, p square, right? Then plus, so minus into only minus will be there, 1p will be there. So minus, this will become 3pqr. And this will become p square yes is equal to 0. So my final equation, this will become minus q plus 3 will become 2q cube minus 3pqr plus p square yes is equal to 0. Now this is my answer there. Is there any option there? Yes, there is an option there. 2q cube minus 3pqr plus p square yes is equal to 0, and B option is satisfied. I hope so you got my point there. Will you do a same question which will be based on geometric progression? Let's see how many can solve this. Yes. So before going to that, let's see how many can solve this one. 2 minutes. Try this. And अब देखो भाई, this is not E, this is 3. So I'll write down the equation there for you again. 16 into 3 to the power of 2x plus 1 minus 32 into 3 to the power of x plus 4 is equal to 0. Any answers? Do this. Now, automatically by looking at this, you can easily say this is a quadratic equation. There will be two roots for you. And what are those two roots that you have to find out there? So how to start? Now see here, I will write down this bracket is in the format of a to the power of m plus n. So can I write down this as 3 to the power of 2x into 3? Yes, I can write down this. So finally, can I write 16 3s, or I'll take down 48 outside? Observe, can I write down this equation as 48 into 3 to the power of x whole square? I'll write down like this. So minus 32 into 3 to the power of x plus 4 is equal to 0. For the sake of convenience, I will take down my 3 to the power of x as y ma, then later on I will calculate this, right? Okay, to make my calculations easy. And I will take down 4 as common from this equation. So what will be left over? 12 into a y square, 12 fours are 12y square minus, so what I have removed 8, so it will become 8y plus 1 is equal to 0. Am I right or wrong? So what are the roots there? So 12 has to be the product, 8 has to be the sum. So 4 2s are 8, no, it will not work out. So what will be the roots there? 6 2s are 12, yes, perfectly. So 12y square minus 6y minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Can I take down like this? Yes, Manoj. So I will be taking down my 12y as common there. If I take, oh sorry, I cannot take 12y. If I take 6y as common there, so this will be 2y minus 1. And if I take minus 1 as common there, this will be 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now I got my roots there perfectly. So my roots are 6y minus 1, 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Chalo, I'll come back. So 6y is equal to 1 here. 6y minus 1 is equal to 0 na. So I will take down 6y is equal to 1. And in the place of y, I can take down 3 to the power of x. Yes or no? So or otherwise, my y value is equal to 3 to the power of x. I can take down this as 1 by 6. Am I clear? Now, can I convert this into logarithms? Yes, I can convert this. I can write down this as 6 to the power of minus 1. So see here, log base 3, 6 to the power of minus 1 will be equal to x. Now this is one root value. Come to the next one. I'll write down here 2y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 by 2. In the place of y, I can substitute 3 to the power of x. So again, I can convert them into log. This 1 by 2 can be written as 2 to the power of minus 1. So log base 3, 2 to the power of minus 1 will be minus 1 log 2 is equal to x. Now minus 1 log base 3 2 minus 1 log base 3 6 will be your answer, and your option number A is 2. Hope so I am clear regarding this. Are you understanding how I am solving this? Perfectly done. Let's come to the next one. Yes. So we have done arithmetic progression in the previous slide. Now this question is based on geometric progression. Now let's see how many can solve this in an easiest way. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this. So all these questions are some of the best questions which I have pulled from different sources now. Try this. The answer. A second small, find the roots of the equation. This is not a cubic equation, ma. This is given as a fourth order equation. Observe the things carefully. It's a fourth order equation. So, chalo, right. So, I'll write down the things there so that we can get more clarity regarding this. This is the equation, ma. 8x to the power of 4 minus 10x cube minus 15x square plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is the, so how can you convert this? Any idea? Any idea of converting this? Waiting for your answer. Is there anything that we are missing out here? One thing you can do, you can just substitute the options there and then you can get the answer easily. So shall I do that? That will be very, very helpful for you to solve the question also. Now closely observe there. Let us take a random option rather than solving all those things. So 2 and 2 are there. You can substitute that. Minus 1 are there. So automatically see here B and D options might satisfy. Let's check up this there. 2, 1 is not there. So we can check this. Substitute minus 1 there. First of all, minus 1. 8 into minus 1 whole to the power of 4. Minus 10 into minus 1 whole cube minus 15 into minus 1 whole square plus 5 into minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. You closely observe there. This will be positive only now. I'll write down 8. This will be minus into minus will plus become plus 10. So minus into minus 1 will become plus 1. So finally it will become minus 15. This will also become minus 15 plus 2 is equal to 0. Now you closely observe there. 8 plus 10 will be 18. Minus 15 minus 5 will be 20. So this will become minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Done. And my minus 1 value is satisfying there. If you can check 2, then automatically you can decide the answer there. Check with 2, then we can decide we can eliminate the remaining options and then we can do it very, very easily also. And again, up they go right, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. There are 2 options there. Either of this has to be damn surely true. You can check that one also. Right? So check this there. So you can check there, right? Automatically your option will be D option for sure. Right? I'll write down this option there. 8 into 2 to the power of 4 minus 10 into 2 cube minus 15 into 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So writing this way will be damn helpful for you. So 2 to the power of 4 is nothing but called 16. 16 8s are 128 minus, so 80 minus 80. So this will be 4 minus 60. This will be 10. This will be 2 is equal to 0. Check there. 128 minus 80 will be 48. So this will be, so I'll do this. So 140 minus 128 will be how much? 12. So this will be finally, this part will be equal to minus 12. This part will be equal to plus 12. Of course, right, this is equal to 0. By this you can decide that rather than solving the entire equation, is this an easy way to solve the question there? Perfectly easy way. And I'll show you one more question in the same pattern. Observe this question carefully. This is the one. Again, so higher order equations, apart from cubic equation, solving those 4th order, 5th order equations, right? Nobody will give you a gold medal in the competitive examination. Merely focus on options there. And you closely observe there, this is the equation given there, 6 x to the power of 4 minus 6x cube minus 24x square. This is a fourth order equation. Minus 6x plus 6 is equal to 0. Previous question was little bit tough, ma. This is very easy. अब देखो ध्यान से, all the options are wide and varied. So I will take minus 1 there. Let's see whether I am right or wrong. If I take minus 1, will it work out or not? 6 into minus 1 whole to the power of 4 minus 6 into minus 1 whole cube minus 24 into minus 1 whole square minus 6 into minus 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is power 4 will be positive. I'll write down 6 there. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 will be minus, minus into minus will be plus 6. So this will be minus, so plus totally minus 24. Minus into minus 6 will be plus 6 plus 6. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Now closely observe there. Am I making any mistake there? Plus only 12. Yes, completely it is 0. And my option number B. So try to solve higher order equations in this way by checking the because if it is NAT, yes, you have to follow the procedure what I have explained you in the previous slides there. If it is not NAT, this is very easiest way here. Done. I hope so. I am clear regarding this. So let us see how many can solve this question there. Reciprocals, it seems. I already explained you how these reciprocals work out. Waiting for your answer. Hi Manoj, after so long time, how are you? If one of the roots of the cubic equation ax square plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0 is reciprocal of another. Of course, for a cubic equation, there will be 3 roots. Everybody know about that. One root is reciprocal of other, it seems. So try to solve this. So those who cannot observe the equation, I'll write down here for your sake. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. No, this is the equation. Any answer beta for this? Nobody. Will I do it? If one root of the cubic equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0 is the reciprocal of another, what is the condition that the coefficients satisfy, it seems? So of course you know that there is a cubic equation. I'll write down in the general. So already I wrote in the previous slide general form. Again and again I will not write. Mostly you will be remembering this, right? So I'll write down this x cube. So this must be negative. So final value is positive now. So I have to write down minus b by a into x square. This is positive only. So c by a into x. This must be negative. So but final value is positive. So minus d by a must be there. Is equal to 0. And you closely observe there, for a cubic equation there will be three roots. So one root is reciprocal of other, means I will take one as alpha, one as 1 by alpha, one as beta. These are the three roots there. And you closely observe that this is nothing but called your product of roots. Product of roots means, what is the meaning there? Alpha into 1 by alpha into beta is equal to minus d by a. Alpha gets cancelled down. So what will be your beta? So I got one root value minus d by a. So substitute the same value in your given equation, then automatically you can get the answer there. A into minus d by a whole cube plus b into minus d by a whole square plus c into minus d by a plus d is equal to 0. अब ध्यान से सुनो, 1a gets cancelled off and this becomes a square ma. So your denominator will be a square. So minus d into minus d into minus d will be minus d cube. Here also it will be a square, but minus d into minus d will become plus d. So I'll take down this as bd square. This will be a na, so I can write down this as minus acd plus a square d is equal to 0. What I can take common from all the equations? I can take d as common. If I take d as common, so what will, so and again I'll rearrange this equation. I'll take down this ac onto the right hand side, will become ac. I'll take down this d cube on right hand side. Already I said that I took d as common now. That will be very happy for me. So this will be a square plus bd. So is there any equation which is satisfying this format there? Yes, there is an equation and my option number C satisfies there. Exactly. I hope so I am clear regarding this. Done. Chalo. Then let's solve the next one here. So I'm expecting you guys to answer this question here. One of my favorite question, right? I asked this question in many forums also. Again, the same format, the coefficients of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 satisfy the condition 64ac is equal to 15b square. Okay, find the condition satisfied by these roots if the whose roots are reciprocal of the roots. अरे यार easy question यार, बहुत ज़्यादा easy question यार. There is no need to explain by me also, right? You can do it very easily. Whose roots are reciprocal, it seems. So I already explained you the same thing in the my functions class also. I got that slide to explain you, ma. I get that slide there. I'll show that slide for you. See here. So these are the normal roots. If it is reciprocal, this will be the thing happening there. Hope so I am clear regarding this. Yes. So let's see the question there right now. So observe there, ax square plus bx plus c. is equal to 0. If the roots became reciprocal, then automatically this becomes a into 1 by x whole square. Already I have explained this, right? You can easily observe the things there from the previous slide. 1 by x plus c is equal to 0. Now, will this be the equation there? Cx square plus bx plus a will be equal to 0. And for this is the condition will it satisfy. 64 into AC is equal to 15b square is the condition that it gets satisfied, it seems. अब ध्यान से सुनो बेटा, right? Now for this, what happened in the place of A, C became, now see here, A became C and C became A. Is there any change of B? No. So this will be here same and this will be A and C. मतलब the product will be same there, right? So the same equation will satisfy for reciprocal also. 64 AC is nothing but equal to 15B square. I hope so you got my point there. And my option, B option will be getting satisfied there. Done. Let's see one more question. Yes, this is again one of my favorite question here. This also I gave you in many forums there. Try this, 2 minutes. Let's go next. Next I'll go with some basic questions, normally what you observe in all your test series, right? I have gone little bit higher level. So for your convenience, I'll write down the general form, right? Again, x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square for a cubic equation plus alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus alpha into gamma into x minus alpha into beta into gamma is equal to 0. Now I will write down this in the general format, so x cube, so in geometry x cube minus, this is wholly positive, so automatically my sum of roots has to be negative here. 3q by p whole x square plus, and again next one is positive only, so 3r by p into x square into x, sorry, minus, so here it is positive product, so I have to write down as negative here, so totally it will be positive, minus s by p is equal to 0. They are in geometric progression, it seems, so already you know there are 3 roots, so can I take down my geometric progressions like this? Alpha by beta comma alpha into beta. If I take down my roots in this format, they will be in geometric progression. Alpha by beta into alpha beta, right? Beta will get cancelled. Alpha square, root of alpha square will be alpha. Yes, they are in geometric progression, GP. So by this up they go, right? Can I, these are my product of roots, This is my product of roots. So can I write down? So alpha by beta into alpha into beta. Beta will get cancelled. Alpha cube is equal to minus s by p. Now what will be my alpha value? Minus s by p whole to the power of 1 by 3. Now just merely substitute this equation there, ma. So in this question equation I have to substitute, ma. So p into minus s by p whole to the power of 1 by 3, na. So this 1 by 3, this will become 3 by 3 will get cancelled off finally. Plus 3q into, in the place of x I have to substitute minus s by p 1 by 3. Automatically this becomes 2 by 3. Okay. Plus 3r into minus s by p whole to the power of 1 by 3. Plus s is equal to 0. And I take down like this. So finally this 3 gets cancelled, this p gets cancelled. Am I right or wrong? Which will become minus s. So this minus s plus s will get cancelled off. And you closely observe there one more point. This minus into minus will become plus, right? Square na. So can I write down like this? 3q. So I'll take down like this. 3q into s by p whole to the power of 2 by 3. And this becomes positive now. So this is negative only. I'll take down this negative value to the right hand side, will become positive. 3r into s by p whole to the power of 1 by 3. How to remove this 1 by 3? I will cube on both sides. Cubing on both sides. So this becomes how much? This 3 will get cancelled off. Okay. So this will become q cube. This will become s square. This will become p square is equal to, this becomes r cube. If it is cubing there, this becomes s by p. Automatically 1s, 1p, 1s, 1p gets cancelled off. So this becomes q cube s is equal to r cube p. Right or wrong? This will be the final equation there. I hope so you got my point there. Now what will be the answer there? Q cube yes. Q cube yes is AR cube, right? So we'll solve some basic questions here next. So hope so you got my point there. Question of the day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest.
So let us continue in the next class. So the remaining questions we will solve in the next class. So as you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can unlock combats using with my code NLN10. You can unlock free classes on Unacademy using with my code NLN10. Yes, and the price for plus for 12 months will be 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Of course, these prices are only up to May 31st, 11:59 PM, and the prices are going to hike. And we have introduced this 9-month subscription also. Who are aiming at GATE 2023, this 9 months will be the optimum time for your preparation, optimum enough time for your preparation. And we have added this community feature, right, where I am forwarding my notes, right, updates regarding my classes. You can chat with me regarding your doubts. Do try to use this feature. And we are going to divide this GATE and ESE goal into 4 separate subscriptions, right, from June 1st. Of course, whoever want to watch the content of all 6 branches, do try to subscribe before June 1st. And again, these are the prices for iconic, right, 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10. So of course, right, we have dropped this iconic prices by 21%. 1 year iconic price is 52,000 only. So do try to use this offer there, right? And then across all the categories, there is a price hike by 20%. So do try to subscribe before 11:59 PM May 31st, right? Yes, those who are interested to watch to have to solve more number of questions, mock tests, right? You can take GATE like subscription. And there is an extraordinary wing called Unacademy Ask Your Doubt. If you have any doubt, you need not wait for any 1 year. Click the picture of the doubt, crop it and upload in doubts and solutions. Select your preferred language, get your video solution within minutes. You can ask 3 doubts at a time. I'm dealing this campus placement strategy sessions in special class, right? So those who are aiming at very good placement as a backup, right? I have dealt for more than 110 colleges, right? So do try to watch those sessions there. And please do try to hit the like button, join this Telegram group. You'll get all the updates regarding the classes. And please do try to hit the like button, share my classes if you like it so that I can reach to more number of audience. Subscribe to the channel, download the PDFs from the Telegram group and hit the bell icon, right? Thank you and have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.